Hello everyone, and welcome to Psychology 655, Child and Adolescent Development. My name is Dr. Debangshu Roygardner, and I will be your instructor for the course. This is a welcome video and tour of our course site. You will see I will post weekly announcements with updates on our front page. You can also see our course banner at the top here. If you look along the left navigation pane, you will see all the other items you will need to click to navigate through our course site. First, we have our Getting Started link, where you can see information about our first week and how to prepare for our course. Please read through our syllabus in entirety. Next, you will see our announcements page link to bring us back. You will then see our syllabus, where you can access the syllabus, and contacts, where you will see my email address, a photo, and a brief bio. Important note is our weekly assignments link, where you can see what we will work on each week with some due dates and assignments posted. Also important is our discussions link on the left, which will bring you to our discussion boards, where you will post and then also reply to peers. There are some additional links with resources and reference materials about our final paper, late passes, and other helpful links. I want to welcome you to our course, and I look forward to a great semester. Thank you, and see you in our course. Dr. Debangshu Roygardner.